Hello, friends on YouTube. How are you? Welcome, everyone, to my channel. You can give a clinic at the right time and at the most precise moment to enjoy this new video. Thank you for being here. Well, guys, today we are going to unlock for any company this type that already has its latest iOS 18 software update. This version was released just recently, just yesterday. Yes, indeed. And we are going to attempt to unlock it. For this, I have a SIM card right here with me, and I am going to place it in the tray. Excuse me if I happen to fumble a bit, but I am only using one hand to try and do the test. So let's place it. Ready? It is done now. Now, let us wait patiently for the signal to appear. It can be very much blocked, and the device is indeed very much locked. So to unlock it, we are going to use some special tools and techniques to free it. Remember, I am doing everything with just one hand. It is not an easy task. The device already has the latest iOS 18.1.1 installed. Another very important thing to note is that you need to know the email and password of the iCloud account. And another important thing is to check that the device is not on any blacklist or reported, because if it has that particular issue, it will be very difficult to function properly with a carrier in your country. So that will make it extremely difficult. If you do not know how to check all these details, I will leave some helpful links in the video description so you can watch tutorial videos and learn how to check those details if you don't know how to do it. Well, for this unlocking process, we are going to need an F, which is a tool. In this particular case, I have a brand that is from Italy. I am going to take it out of its tray here. As you can see, it is one of the most recent MKs, right, that have appeared in my market. Yes, and now the difficult part is how I am going to place this here, how I am going to place it. That will be difficult with one hand, but let's try to install it. Let's do it. Ready, as you can see. I already placed it with one hand. Let's bend the card. Let's install it in the tray. Ready? Sorry that I am not using a tripod, but I am doing my best. It's very complicated with one little hand. Almost again. Bear more again. Once more. Okay, Pekiva muscle welcomes. Okay. Castoko naman, no, definitely. Cheap, big market if putting me. I have them like this, but I have no other option, because with one hand, well, I was putting the card in wrong. but you can see I already placed it. Now I'm going to bend it. Give me a moment. Okay, you stop. Here is fine. I'm going to install it on the iPhone. Doing it with one hand is quite an adventure. After completing the process, and that's it, let's thoroughly check the results to ensure accuracy and precision. I believe we are going to verify that the system is indeed reading the data correctly and efficiently at this moment. And here in the settings of this MKCard from Ultravistas by the people of Maris Nuevas, I am going to choose the option 5G mode auto. Now I am going to choose the company or carrier to which the iPhone belongs. In this case, T-Mobile, and I click accept. Don't get one pick at all, really? Seriously? Honestly? Well, here the card is doing its job. The Bluetooth makes sense to me. Cringe. Okay, now I turn off the Wi-Fi. Good effect. It has everything. Now let's do a test to see if it can browse the internet. Perfect. Let's try again if it can browse the internet. Perfect. Let's try now to make a call. Welcome to the N call center. It is a pleasure to assist you. We inform you that this call is ready. It worked now well. I will show you the card a little. And here I have it installed. And here it is. Here is the card. I don't use it. If we take auto, if I reactivate it, the device signal will restart. That option serves for that, to recover it. And in options, if I turn off data roaming, what will happen is that I won't have internet. So I need to keep data roaming on to have internet. Yes, well, other tips, I think, with the video description at the bottom, so you can check them, verify them, review them, and learn more, right? So, all that type of information, I leave you in the bio description, so you can learn every day about these. Down there are the tutorial videos in case you don't know how to perform this type of unlock for an iPhone. And well, guys, you know that I did this with an MKSD Ultra card. I recommend you use GTA, of course, which is marked MKSD. And I don't recommend those brands like Resin Club. So see you. Bye.